Hey everybody, today I have two very special guests with me. I have my nephew Andrew and I have my nephew Tennessee. And we are going to be making a hot chocolate charcuterie board. And I'm so excited to share this with you. Most of these items are from the Dollar Tree. There's a few things I wasn't able to get at Dollar Tree, but I'll go through each thing and kind of let you know what each place where I got everything. Turn this on a sideways view so you can get a good look at it. Isn't this awesome? This has everything you need to make a fantastic cup of hot chocolate. To start with, we have these soft peppermint sticks. I got these at the Dollar Tree. And to go with our cup of hot chocolate, we've got these Lotus Biscoff cookies, because everybody likes to have some sweets to go along with their sweet hot chocolate. And I also got this is one of my children's favorite. It is a dark chocolate cream-filled wafer sticks. They have these in all different flavors, but the dark chocolate is what I got for this project.
My favorite.
Yeah, Andy loves them. My kids will be fighting over these. And then I also found this at the Dollar Tree. These are the Russell Stover Hot Chocolate Melt-Away Santas. So you put these little hot chocolate Santas in your cup of hot chocolate, and you're going to put these in the top. And then I have these adorable peppermint spoons that came from the Dollar Tree. These are individually wrapped, so you can leave them out in your little display. And you take this and you stir your cup with it, and it is just so cute. I love it. And then I found these cute containers that I have my marshmallows. I'll move this out of the way so you can see. And I have my little packets of hot chocolate. Some people pour their hot chocolate out into a container and just scoop it out. I prefer to have it so it will be a little less messy and just keep it in the little Nestle bags. They're red, so it kind of blends in with my theme. So I thought that still looked okay, and that way we keep everything fresh and you don't have people reaching their hand in. Okay, and this is probably one of my favorite details. This is a peppermint cup. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and I filled this with the sprinkles for the hot chocolate. And I've got two of those because everybody loves sprinkles, so we have extra.
They're actually edible.
Yeah. And I have my taste tester right here. This is Mr. Tennessee, and he is tasting out those marshmallows. Teeny, what do you think? Are they good? Are they good? I think we have Tennessee's approval on these marshmallows. And I know Mr. Andrew's going to love them.
I love me some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm the assistant for Tintin.
You're the assistant for Tintin.
And everything.
Well, thank y'all so much for joining me today. This was a really fun video, and it's a project we've all been looking forward to. And leave me a message in the comments if you've ever made a hot chocolate charcuterie board. It's kind of a hot thing this year. I've been seeing it on lots of blogs and on Pinterest. If you've ever done this before, leave me a comment and let me know what your experience was and what you used in your board. Thanks for watching.